Hi friends, welcome to D'Souza's kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make Goan chicken Xacuti. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have curry patta, curry leaves, 2 medium sized onions chopped fine, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 3 green chili slit, 1 medium sized tomato chopped. Four tablespoons garam masala, homemade Xacuti masala, 2 medium sized sliced onion, 1 medium sized grated coconut, 2 tablespoons of tamarind water, 2 medium sized potatoes which I have cut into small pieces, 1 medium sized carrot cut into small pieces, 1 kilo chicken which I have cut into small pieces. Thick coconut milk. I have used half coconut medium size to extract this thick coconut milk. Salt as per your taste and 3 tablespoons of oil. Now we will apply salt and ginger garlic paste to the chicken. Mix well. Apply it well. Now we will allow the chicken to marinate for 30 minutes. I have pan over here with 3 tablespoons of oil which is nice and hot. Now we will add our sliced onions. We will saute the onions till it is nice and translucent. Our onion is done. Now we will add the grated coconut. Now we will saute this till it gets nice golden brown color. Our onion and coconut is sauteed. It has got nice golden brown color. Now we will allow the mixture to cool and then we will grind. Our mixture is cooled down. Now let's add it to a mixer grinder. Now we'll add a masala. And water as required. We will grind this mixture into a coarse paste. Don't make it fine. Our grounded masala is ready. Here I have pan with oil, 3 tablespoons which is nice and hot. Now we will add our chopped onions and tomatoes. We will saute it till it is nice and translucent. Our onion and tomato is done. Now we will add our chicken. curry leaves and green chilies. Mix it well. And now we'll cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Now we'll add a masala. Water. Mix well. Now we'll add the potatoes and the carrots. Tamarind water. Mix well. Now we'll add a coconut milk. Salt as per your taste. Mix well. Now we'll cook this xacuti for 30 to 35 minutes on medium flame. Our xacuti is done. Now let's plate it up. Our Goan chicken xacuti is ready. Please do try it at home and let me know how is it. If you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.